What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. I am here at Wild Adventures Theme Park to check out the unveiling of their brand new 3-acre expansion to its park, and along with some other announcements. Stick around. So this very cool expansion comes with several new additions to the park. 2 new rides to the area, some animal exhibits, and a new restaurant. Come check out the new animal exhibits including porcupines, prairie dogs, spider monkeys, and more. It really is a fun area for all ages, and while you're here you can check out the brand new Paradise Pizza with some delicious yummies. The 2 brand new rides here at Wild Adventures is Trail Trackers and Sandstorm Chasers. Let's go check them out. Storm Chaser. Let's see how long I can last. Hey, we're going backwards. So far so good. Seems to be doing all right. I tried to do it forward, but they decided against that, so I'm not going forward, I guess. Whoa. All right. Oh my gosh! That's not too bad. Alright. Now I'm starting to feel this G-force. So far so good. Okay, here we go. Now we're going for it. Alright. There we go. Now we're kicking. Whoa. Yeah. Alright. I don't know how I feel about this. Whoa. Oh. Yes. Eat your Paradise Pizza after this ride. Oh. Wow, that's a lot more. It's way more smooth than I thought it was gonna be. All right, okay. Oh my god. All right, here we go. Pick up some speed. Oh, G-force. Oh my god. Oh! Wow. Oh. All right. Jeez. So much G-force. My whole body slammed on the side. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right. There are 2 additional announcements made at today's press event, one being a brighter, merrier, even better Christmas event than ever before.
This year, Wild Adventures Christmas gets much brighter, spreading cheer across the entire park with new festive attractions, festive entertainment, and holiday culinary delights debuting this November. We are taking our Christmas spirit to the next level with the new Floating Lake Spectacular, featuring thousands of sparkling lights and an immersive walkthrough illuminated tunnel that dances to your favorite Christmas songs, and the addition of beloved Christmas characters and experiences.
More lights, more entertainment, a gingerbread walkthrough. It's gonna be a fun Christmas this year. The second announcement is just off of Wild Adventures property is a new camping ground. You can come camp, park your RV, however you choose, get up at your convenience and come trail over to Wild Adventures from your camping site, and breaking ground starts this summer. Wild Adventures continues to expand and improve, and it's just getting nicer and even more fun of an environment than it already was. The new season here at Wild Adventures starts this Saturday. Let us know in the comments if you're gonna check out this new Oasis Outpost. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Team Park Groupie.